sequel of our brothers fighting.
Josh,
Ah!
Josh, don't you want to get him back?
Oh my god. Oh!
Oh god, he's gonna go off the bed.
Oh. Wait, stop! Anthony! You just ripped his part of his tooth out! Again! I already did it once. Let me see. Like this.
What are you guys trying to do?
Both he chipped
him.
his tooth.
What is going on?
That was them, not us. We didn't.
No, you said the letters fight each other.
I
Why are
said
you
wrestle,
fighting each other?
not fight.
Why?
Because he spit on me. I
So
spit
what?
on me. Yes, you did. Because you saw him like doing like this and you chipped the tooth
First
out
he
of
spit
me.
on me.
Okay, why are you letting them fight? It's not funny.
We didn't want any part of it.
It's not funny. Don't fight. Stop.
They told us to.
Don't
No,
fight.
he didn't.
Don't listen to
We
them.
told you to wrestle, not fight.
Don't wrestle. Don't fight. Chill out.
It's the same thing.
Chill out.
The same thing.
No, it's not.
You guys are older. It's not funny to watch your two siblings fight. Please. It's
We're
not.
actually trying to make a video
They're
so
trying
we
to
can
get them to
like
fight. The older
$100 or
siblings,
something.
and they think it's funny.